So a soldier killing another soldier, he doesn't know why he's killing, but that is duty. But when he starts evaluating his action on moral grounds, on humanitarian grounds, as fellow human being, then what happens? He starts evaluating this. Right? If this dominates, this will suffer. Right? If this dominates, this will suffer. Sometimes both can coexist. Yes. You are killing terrorists to save people. Duty bhi hai or right bhi hai. But many times your duty and something what is right may not come together. So bureaucrats, they will also face such circumstances. So it is necessary to change the overall culture.